Just a quick unboxing video here with some red mechanical switches called Yuchao. They were really cheap, like 90 pieces for $6. Yeah, 90 pieces for $6 from Temu. Free delivery, and yeah, let's see what they look like. I haven't opened it yet, so let's see. How do you open this? Box cutter, yeah. Man, this is some hard material here. Oh, okay. Ta-da! So, Rap Lab Consulting Limited, Newport Road, Cardiff, Wales, whatever. Ha ha. Made in China. Red switch, 90 pieces, batch number Guangzhou Yuchao Electronic Technology Company. Well, the thing with the switches is that it's 2 pieces of plastic or 3, a spring and 2 pieces of copper. So it shouldn't be too hard to manufacture, and even the cheapest ones should be really good quality by now. So let's see, let's test a few of them. Many reviewers said that quality is not consistent with these, but yeah, I decided to give them a try. Ooh, oh boy. They even gave me a switch puller. Oh boy. Oh boy. I really like this. How do you pull it? Like this? That's not really good. Like this? Oh, yeah, I got it. You will just push it in. Yeah. So, 3 pins. This is called 3 pins because there's the plastic in the middle. Man, focus. White balance, do something. The plastic in the middle and the 2 pins. So this is this will replace the switches in my blue mechanical keyboard. And let's hear it. Some more. Man, these all seem nice. Maybe I'll develop a test to test them, like if they actually make a contact, so light comes on, and I just stick it in and push it and test all of them. But yeah, they all seem nice. Maybe I'll make another video about replacing all the switches in my keyboard. So yeah, that's it for now. I recommend. These feel really nice. Easy to press red switches.